I guarantee you've never seen the iPhone front camera do this before. The iPhone 17 Pro Max has a new upgrade that Apple barely mentioned, but it completely changes how your selfies and video calls look. Whether you take selfies, video call all day, or record TikToks, this upgrade is a bigger deal than you think. Let's break it down in simple terms. So, what's new? The iPhone 17 Pro Max comes with a 18-megapixel front camera, but megapixels aren't even the most exciting part. The real upgrades are a larger sensor, which means it captures more light-improved low-light performance, so night selfies don't look like potato photos, second-generation autofocus, so your face snaps into focus instantly, and a brand new computational photography engine that basically makes your skin look good even when you didn't try. If you've ever taken a selfie in a dim restaurant or on a Zoom call with terrible lighting, you're going to notice this upgrade immediately. Let's talk about that bigger sensor for a second, without getting too nerdy. Think of a camera sensor like a window. A bigger window lets in more light, right? Same idea here. More light means brighter photos, less grain, more detail in your face, better colors, and smoother video even at night. This is the first time the front camera on any iPhone feels like it belongs on the Pro Max line, not an afterthought. Now here's where things get interesting. Video on the front camera got a huge boost. You can now record 4K at 120 frames per second for slow motion. On the front camera, creators, vloggers, TikTokers, this is your moment. Plus, Apple quietly slipped in something everyone has been asking for. Better background blur on video calls. This means FaceTime, Zoom, Google Meet, all look more crisp and more cinematic. And thanks to the new AI-powered image pipeline, the camera adjusts exposure and skin tones much faster, so no more weird skin colors when you sit near a window. Another subtle but surprisingly noticeable upgrade, smart portrait refinement. This isn't a filter, it's Apple's version of beauty mode, but way more natural. It smooths skin just a little, brightens eyes just a little, and brings out details without making you look plastic. For people who don't want to mess with editing apps, this is a game changer. You also get sharper hair details, more accurate skin tones, and better separation between you and the background. The result? Front camera photos finally look like they came from a flagship phone, not a mid-range device. This one surprised everyone. Apple added a secondary ultra-wide front lens. It switches automatically during group selfies or when you hold the phone closer to your face. No more cutting off friends, no more awkward stretching your arm. And for creators who record with the front camera, this means you can fit more of your space in frame, you can vlog without that super zoomed-in look, and stabilization is much better than before. Honestly, it feels like Apple finally realized people use the front camera just as much as the back one now. So how does all this feel in real use? Selfies look cleaner, video calls look sharper, skin tones look more realistic, and the camera adapts to lighting almost instantly. Basically, the front camera on the iPhone 17 Pro Max finally caught up to the modern social media world. So that's the new iPhone 17 Pro Max front camera upgrade, and honestly, it's one of the biggest improvements we've seen in years. If you enjoyed this breakdown and want more simple, everyday tech explainers, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.